Hey guys, how to add money to Kraken Pro app. So first of all, go ahead and click the portfolio value right here, right? And you're gonna see under the portfolio value, you're gonna see deposit, withdraw, transfer, or earn. So in my case, I'm gonna hit deposit, and I'm gonna select the coin or the assets. So in my case, I want to add US dollars, right, from my local bank. So I'm gonna hit the US dollar, and Kraken won't take the money automatically from your bank. They will give you the bank details, and you will need to use your bank to transfer the money, and they will credit your account once they receive the money. And then hit I understand, right? So you're gonna go ahead and select if you are depositing the money from your own account, from your personal account, or if you have a joint account, right? So I'm gonna hit the first one, right? And then what you're gonna do, just share or copy the bank details, and make sure when you transfer that money from your bank to this bank that you hit I made that deposit afterwards, and they will check if you sent that money, and they will credit the money to your account, or they will add the funds to your Kraken app. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.